Hello students, welcome back. I hope all of you are fine. Students, today in this video we are going to revise chapter number 18 Adverbs, as you can see on the board. I hope all of you have understood this chapter very carefully. But let me revise more about this chapter, Adverbs. Okay, we will start from the beginning. What do we call adverbs? Okay, all of you know as adverbs. Okay, adverb, it means you can say it is a one kind of word. Adverb, it is a one kind of word. All of you know very well. Adverb is a word. Okay, which tells us more about the word, adjective or another adverb, okay, in the sentence. Dear students, here adverb, it is a one kind of word which tells us more about the word, adjective or another adverb in the sentence. And students, as we have already discussed adverb, okay, as you see how to identify adverb. Students, here in the sentence, how to identify adverb. Students, we have to ask question to the verb. Okay, we have to ask question to the verb by how, when, where, how often, or you can say how much. Listen to me, my dear students, there are 5 words. How many words? 5 words. Please, if you want to get adverb from the sentence, so here you have to ask question by how, when, where, next is how much, next is how often. These 5 words, please dear students remember, these 5 words are useful for getting adverb from the sentence. Okay, please dear students remember here. So first is how. If you want to ask question to the verb how the action is done, please dear students remember how the action is done. If I give one example, look here. If I give example, they are writing nicely. What I am giving you here, they are writing nicely. They are writing nicely. So you have to ask question to the verb writing. By which word? By how. If you ask question by how, you will get word as answer nicely. How are they writing? What will you get? They are writing nicely. Once again, dear students, you have to ask question to the verb here. How are they writing? So what will you get answer? You will get answer. They are writing nicely. So here you will get answer as nicely. So nicely it is called adverb. Nicely it is called adverb. Okay, hence the adverb. Most of adverb they end with adverb. So here nicely it is a adverb. Okay, so here you can say this adverb is called adverb of manner. This adverb is called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Because there are 5 types of adverb. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. Okay, so they are writing nicely. It means means it's the adverb of manner. If I give one more example, next when. When. So look at example. I'm writing an example. They will arrive soon. They will arrive soon. Okay. Finish the sentence. They will arrive soon. So here they will arrive soon. So you have to ask question by which or by when if you want to get adverb in the sentence. They will arrive soon. When they, okay, when will they arrive? What will you ask question? When will they arrive? So students, what answer will you get? You will get they will arrive soon. So here soon you get answer as time. Okay, when? So they will arrive soon. So it's a all adverb. Here soon is adverb. This dear students, remember here soon is adverb. They, that is our subject, will, that is our helping verb for the future tense. Arrive, that is our main verb. Soon, that is the adverb. So when will they arrive? They will arrive soon. It is called adverb of time. Adverb of time, it indicates when action will take place. Adverb of time indicates when action will take place. Next, dear students, which one is the when? So your when it indicates, okay, when action will take place. It means when. So how to ask question to the verb or sentence for getting adverb from the statement? So let's see adverb. So remember, dear students, I am giving you one example. Please try to see here. I could not find my pen anywhere. Listen to me. I could not find my pen anywhere. Okay. Now here, can you see your verb? I could not find my pen anywhere. So here, verb. It suggests place. What I am saying, place. So adverb of place. It suggests place. Listen to me, my dear students. You need to remember words. Those words, they show place. They show place. They indicate place. There are some words they indicate place. If you remember, everywhere, nowhere, somewhere, inside, outside, okay, up, down, yeah, anywhere, that is called place. Okay, I could not find my pen anywhere. So here is adverb. But here we can say it's an adverb of place. It's called adverb of place. So here we can say it's an adverb of place. Got it? Next, another word is how much. How much? We have already studied this how much. So here students, we can say that. Okay? Here we can say that how much, it's an adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. But how to get adverb of degree from the statement? Adverb degree, it tells us how much or what extent action is done. Adverb of degree, it tells us how much or what extent action is done. Okay? If you remember, there are some words: quite, very, to, so, almost. Okay? These are the words that show adverbs of degree. Please remember, dear students. Look, I am giving you examples. How much? Okay? The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. Now, if you want to get statement, okay, if you want to get adverb from the statement, what will you answer? The tea is very hot. How much hot the tea is? How much hot the tea is? What will you say? How much what will you get answer? Very. The T is very what? Okay. So here very, it is for adverb. It's for adverb of the. Okay. Dear students, remember here one more thing. All the adverbs. Okay. Some of the adverbs, they can appear in the beginning, middle, or at the end of the sentence. Adverbs, they can appear in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the sentence. Okay. So here you can see we are writing nicely at the end of the sentence. They will arrive soon. Adverb at the end of the sentence. I couldn't find my pen anywhere at the end of the sentence. The T is very what? You can say in the middle. Okay. So here the T is very what? Next. So I hope you understood. Let's see how often. The last, how often. So we have already discussed this in live class. How often? It shows adverb of frequency. How often it shows adverb of frequency? It means how often the action take place. How often the action take place. There are some routine tasks we do every day. There are some routine tasks we do every day. And some of the action take place often. Okay, in our day-to-day life. So here, what do you call how often? So I am giving you an example. Okay, how often? If I say I, okay, I never get up. I never get up late. As dear students, you can say, I never get up late. I never get up late. So here you can say, I is a subject, never get up late. Listen to me, I never get up late. So here never, you have to ask question with the statement. How often do you get up late? How often do you get up late? So what will you answer? I never get up late. Never. It means 0%. Never means 0%. I never get up late. So you never, that's an adverb. It's called adverb of frequency. It is called adverb of frequency. I never get up late. Dear students, there are some examples, okay, of adverb of frequency. Never, always, sometimes, usually, rarely, hardly, seldom. Okay, they are adverbs of frequency. We have already studied. So, student, it's just only basic information of adverbs. Okay, chapter. Okay, let's see some more useful information about adverb. Students, let's see adverb of place. Where something happened. Listen to me, my dear students. Adverbs of place, it tells us where something happened. Where means place. So students, here adverb of place, it means the words, they show us place where something happened, where action happened, you can say, where action took place. There are some words you will find from the sentence here, there, inside, outside, downstairs, upstairs, okay, out, in. These are the words, they show place, somewhere, everywhere, nowhere, anywhere. These are the words, they show place. When they are used in the sentence, they tell us more about action, where something happened. So dear students, let's do the exercise. You will easily understand. What is the heading? You can say instruction. Put the adverbs correctly. So dear students, here you can see 4 sentences. There are 4 sentences. Here you have to write this sentence in proper order. You should put the adverb in proper order. Can you see is over there the cinema? So dear students, here first of all please try to highlight the adverb in the sentence here over there. That is called adverb. Second, you can say inside. It shows the place inside. The kitchen downstairs. So can you say downstairs? It shows place. Were everywhere we for looking you. So here everywhere it shows place. So students try to get whatever the words are underlined by me over there, inside, downstairs, everywhere. They are called adverbs of place. Now here we have to solve this exercise. How? Let's see the first one. Is over there the cinema? So which word will come first? You can say how to write meaningful sentence. The cinema is over there. The first sentence. The cinema is over there. Listen to me, dear students. This is the sentence. Okay. The cinema is over there. The cinema is over there. So this is called adverb of place. Second, inside go let's. So what will you say? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. So second answer is here. Let's go inside. So dear students, here inside it shows place. The kitchen downstairs is. Students, here the words are given in improper order. We have to put all these words in proper order and we have to make meaningful sentence. And even the adverbs also, we have to put adverbs in proper place. Downstairs, that is the adverb from the statement. The kitchen is downstairs. What will you say? The kitchen is downstairs. So answer is here. The kitchen is downstairs. This is the answer. Next, dear students, were everywhere we for looking you. So what? As you know, first what comes? Subject. Subject after what comes? Verb. Verb you can say to be from also, helping verb also. Okay? Or main verb also. Here we, that is a subject. Were, that is a to be form. We were looking for you everywhere. Everywhere it's a adverb, it will come at the end of the statement. So answer is here. We were looking for you everywhere. This is what adverb of place. We were looking for you. These are the statements. They are given in improper order and we have arranged here in proper order. It means meaningful sentence. Okay students, now here you can see on the board. Okay, adverbs of time. When something happened. Here, adverbs of time when something happened. On the other side, adverbs of degree, how much something is done. Both are different kinds of adverbs. First of all, we will see first this one, adverbs of time. It shows when something happened. Dear students, I have given you 4 sentences. Out of this 4 sentences, we have to identify which is the adverb of time. I will complete my homework tomorrow. Dear students, adverb of time, it means we should identify, we should notice which word shows time. I will complete my homework tomorrow. So which word shows time? What will you say? Tomorrow. When will you complete your homework? What will you get answer? Tomorrow. So this tomorrow is called adverb. Okay? You need to ask question by when to the statement. what is the answer? Tomorrow. Okay. Second, I go to school daily. When do you go to school? When do you go to school? What answer will you get? You will get answer, I go to school daily from the statement. So your daily, it is called adverbs of time. A newspaper arrives every day. A newspaper arrives every day. Okay. So students, if you want to identify adverbs of time, ask question by when. When a newspaper arrives. When a newspaper arrives. What is the answer? A newspaper arrives every day. So every day it is called adverb. My dear students, we have to remember which word shows time. It means adverbs of time in the statement. Next, the train has already arrived. When has the train arrived? The train has already. So here already it indicates time. So we can say these are adverbs of time. Try to remember, dear students, these are adverbs of time. I hope you understand. Let's go for the next topic here, adverbs of degree. So dear students, remember what is called adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree, it means how much something is done. How much something is done or what extent something is done. So here examples are given here. You have to identify the adverbs of degree from the statement. But before that, let me say there are some words. If you remember, entirely, extremely, very, enough, a lot, almost. Okay, so these are the words. They are called adverbs of degree. Entirely, fully, quite. Okay, so here you can say I am so happy. How much happy I am? What will you get answer? I am so happy. So your so, it is adverb of degree. Next, she did extremely well in the exam. My dear students, here you will get two adverbs in the statement. She did extremely well in the exam. Here you can see W well, that is adverb of manner. Extremely, you see ly, mostly ly, it indicates adverb. She did extremely well in the exam. How much did she do in the exam? So what will you say? She did extremely well in the exam. So extremely, that's our adverb. The T is too hot. How much? The T is how much hot. How much hot the tea is. So what is the answer? The tea is too hot. Too is the adverb. Fourth, we have almost arrived the station. Okay, dear students, here adverbs of degree, it means how much something happened or at what extent something happened. So we have almost arrived the station. Almost. That is the adverb of degree. My dear students, for your better understanding, we have to remember the words. Which word comes under the adverb of degree? Which word comes under the adverb of place, time, adverb of manner? If you remember those words, this topic will be very easy for you. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's go for the next topic, adverbs of frequency, the last type of the adverbs of frequency. Okay students, let's see, you can see here adverbs of frequency. It means how often something is happen, or you can say how often something happen. Okay, how often the action happen. Dear students, adverb of frequency. It shows frequency of the action, how often something happens. Before I start this topic, remember dear students, there are some words. If you have seen always, sometimes, okay, usually. These are the words. These words are called adverbs of frequency. If you remember these words, it will be very easy for you to identify adverbs of frequency. Okay, dear students, let's see here. I have written some examples easily. Okay, you will identify. They often go to the movies. They often go to the movies. Here one more word I forgot to write. It's called often. They often go to the movies. Here often, that shows how often they go to the movies. Often, many times. Sarah never smiles. Okay, how often something happens? Sarah never smiles. Never. That is called adverb of frequency. Sometimes I drink coffee. So how often the action of drinking coffee takes place? So what will you say? Sometimes. Yes, sometimes that's an adverb of frequency. My dear students, remember, sometimes you can write in the beginning of the statement, or sometimes you can write after the subject, of the statement. Sometimes I drink coffee, or you can say I sometimes drinks coffee. That's also correct. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's see, dear students, quote. He usually feels terrible. How often he feels terrible? So you will say usually. He usually feels terrible. Okay, so that is the thing. That is the adverb. I always eat vegetables and fruits. How often do you eat vegetables and fruits? So you can say I always eat. So you always, that's the adverb of frequency. Dear students, here adverb of frequency, it shows the frequency of the action. How often the action takes place. Okay, every day in a routine life. In a routine task, the action takes place. Some of the action they take place every day. Okay, so you can say always. Some of the action they do not take place. Okay, anytime. So you can say never. Sarah never smiles. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, and sometimes we do some of the action. So that time we can use sometimes. Sometimes I drink coffee every day. Okay, I drink tea every day, but sometimes I drink coffee. So sometimes it's an adverb. Okay, that is the thing here. So students, I hope you understand. Please remember 5 types: adverbs of manner, how something happened. Second type, adverbs of place, where something happened. Third, adverbs of place, you can say where something happened. Okay, next, adverb of degree, how much or what extent something happened. Last, adverb of frequency, how often something happened. So this is the topic, you can say adverbs. I hope you understand. Okay, bye.